Cool. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, please start now.
Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Yi. I'm a year 4 student studying at the Bachelor of Science in Executive Management. And today I'm here to share 3 of my university experience that I've gained some new insight and skill through the degree reflective in these courses. So you can see on the screen, my main theme is fostering personal growth through the learning of digital literacy in the technology era. So actually digital literacy is referring about the ability to use, evaluate and create information through the digital tools. So let's get started to my presentation today. So here's the table of content. So the first experience I would like to share with everyone is about I participate in the Artificial Intelligence Literacy Program during semester 1 last year. So it's a voluntary course that provides fundamental content of the AI, and also inside the course it including some assignment and in-class activity to reinforce the student learning process. I recall that motivation for me to enroll in this course is because the global trend of AI. So I hope to through learning from this course to integrate the AI concept with my major as executive management. And however, I find that the learning content in this course is very difficult to understand. So which leading me to doubt for my personal ability. So just some example. Anyone can guess what these are? Anyone would like to guess? So actually, there are some type of the machine learning algorithm learned in the program, and it's actually referring something like how AI recognize or classify the actually human do. So I'm still working hard to understand it all. So you just have a brief experience about how at that moment for me. So luckily in this semester we have the UePortfolio course that engage us to do the reflection. So I apply the SWOT analysis to gain more new insight. So on screen you can see how I to evaluate myself based on this 4 areas critically. So it's including the threat, fitness, opportunity, and threats. And also you can see that some of the areas actually connect with our course learning outcome. For example, in the fitness section, you can see that I'm not proactive in asking questions and encountering problem. So it actually connect with our course learning outcome of JAWS 4A oral communication. It provides a hint that if I fostering communication, may also a chance to getting more information to deal in this course. And then in the opportunity side, you can see that a sportive learning environment with the lecturer and peer is providing what we learned in a lesson about the peer and I approach. So if I can engage a peer, then it will present an opportunity for me to address this issue. So upon the deep reflection, I've learned this skill like critical thinking, communication, and peer learning. So based on this skill, I realized that I'm not the main issue not stem from my poor ability, but due to my poor learning attitude and also lack of the effective measurement. So I just shift my mindset to a positive outcome and taking this concrete step like conduct a regular self-merit evaluation, get insightful discussion, and also seek advice from peer, and which can be also benefit for my future prospect. And the second experience I'd like to share is about I participate in the scenario development competition 2024 last year also. It's actually organized by several local universities including NUHK. So in this experience, it required me to design a scenario multimedia deliverable, which actually is like an animated PPT file, and it's aimed to promoting digital citizen awareness. So my challenge find here is about creating digital visual content, which is like animation and also the image. And then my initial feeling is actually analysis and worry about lack of my skill to complete this project. So here I use the reflective cycle to empower myself. So you can see that reflective cycle is including 6 stages, and we will focus the most of important part like the evaluation stage. is you can see that in here I can just train my critical thinking, like I understand the positive and negative side on the issue, and also in another state, what I actually did at that moment is actually learn from my friend who's studying multimedia, and it's also training my oral communication skill, which call it about Giles or A, and also learn through free online tutorial to create visual content actually to address the problem about training the problem solving skill. And among of this, I can create an action plan that if I encounter the same situation or challenge again, I can seek advice promptly from my professional and also discover valuable resources online. So here's some example of some image of how I participate in this project. So I seek advice from my friend here, and then he advised me to use the Procreate application, and then I just learned some through the online courses to create this visual content. And finally, I'm luckily to achieve the result of merit. And here is about my first experience, actually some internship program about internship at the Consumer Council. It requires a new launch as a program with over 60 schools participate. So the task assigned to me is to create a approach about effective method to need to manage those data with a large amount of data. So within 2 weeks. So the challenging part here is about the program data is unclear. So I don't know what criteria I need to know, how to count those marks, and also the timeline for tasks. So which leading me to feel confused and nervous. So in here, I use the code learning cycle, and you can see the code learning cycle is basically code is more simple than the paper. Just on the first thing, your experience, and then convey to some reflective observation to find what I need to do at the moment. So I've clarified that I need to do something like this, and then go to the abstract project, what actually I did. So you can see that I wish the supervisor to clarify the project requirement, which connect about communication skill, and also design the function with the end user perspective with a critical thinking, and also choose the Microsoft Excel to deal with this part about the problem solving skill. So in order of 3 of this, I can have an active experiment about forming communication, critical thinking, and design digital literacy to enable and enhance benefit to my future. So just a quick recap. So today I have shared this 3 experience is actually related to our digital literacy. So you can see that on the first experience about the learning stage, and then go to the practice, and the last one is the application stage. So the soft skill I learned, I think the most common is about critical thinking skills, communication skill, and problem solving skill. So how these 3 skills are important for my future? You can see that critical thinking skills how it helps you to assess and identify some issue, so we can make a right choice in a workplace. And in a communication skills about conveying your idea clearly and also build relationship with your colleagues. So in the communication skill, you can foster a more good productive in your company. And also the problem solving skill is a very essential skill for everyone, because you need to overcome and achieve the professional environment. So this is the end of my presentation today. So I hope you can, through today's presentation, you can have some inspiration about digital literacy to empower yourself as well. So thank you.
Yeah. I think your presentation is very interesting, and digital literacy is quite a hot topic in recent days. How about your groupmates? Any comments? Any questions? Yeah.
Which skill do you consider the most challenging to achieve?
I think the most challenging skill to achieve is the communication skill, because communication skills not only express your own idea, but you need to listen from the other. So from my experience, not everyone is an active listener, so they can't actually do effectively to utilize the communication skill well. They just express their own feeling, but they didn't.
That's how the communication skills can help you to improve your digital literacy.
Communications, actually I've learned from others, because I need to listen. From some expert, they will provide some insight, like how the quick method to help you to install software or something, you can address your problem.
Okay,
Like,
so in this progress, your digital literacy can be improved.
yes.
Yes, okay, thank you. Give a big hand to me. Appreciate you use the appropriate humor to do the deep reflections. So, he got a very good grade. Okay, give a big